Companies claim that there's a global shortage of engineers with an EPLAN qualification. Why not support your students in landing their first job? We are providing you with the resources and assistance you need to use EPLAN, a widely adopted industry standard to train the engineers of tomorrow. These are the two packages we offer. The classroom package is our starter package. This is what we recommend beginning with. If you're looking to implement EPLAN within the curriculum, this is a great package to start with. The campus package we offer was created to cater to larger student usage at campuses or universities. We provide you with comprehensive teaching materials, which includes a curriculum, practical exercises with basic projects designed for e-learning courses, and helpful suggestions for your theory classes, all through EPLAN Cloud. This program is designed for you as a helpful tool with our support and guidance along the way. Scan the QR code and get started with EPLAN today.